Hello everybody, welcome to the first video of Kid Engineer, and today we will show you how to set up your Creality Ender3 KE3 printer and how to print this little boat. Let's get to it. First, you need to arrange your 3D printer so you have everything like this except the boat because that's why we're gonna print. So second, you have to put the filament in by doing this. You have to cut it so that it's diagonal and not flat, so I can actually go through in that. So let's cut it. Let's put this piece here. You need to put the filament through this to activate it. Put it here. You need to press down this and then put it several centimeters down. Done. Then you have to put your 3D printer on. That might take a while. Now, please hit the like button and the subscribe button for new videos and amazing luck for next week, and tutorials for how to use Cura and other things for a 3D printer, and besides that, how to print other things, like this Goku. So now, you have to go into the local or USB drive and find the boat icon. Then you have to press on that. Take or put on the calibration. I'm going to put it on and then print. Now you just have to sit and relax until it starts printing. Now the temperature has to rise from the printer. You have to rise it to 180 degrees Celsius, and the template you have to put it to 60 degrees Celsius. And when that gets warm enough, you can officially start printing. So if you put it in calibration, it will do 25 markings all around the plate. But if you didn't put it in calibration, it will immediately go to printing. But since I put it in calibration, it has to cool down and do calibration. There you have it, folks. That's how you do your very own one-of-a-kind kind of vote in your 3D printer. Hope you enjoyed the video and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Ciao!